Get ready to unleash your inner gamer without breaking the bank. Welcome to the Budget Graphics Cards, where affordability meets awesomeness. In this segment, you will discover graphics cards that will take you to the epic world of gaming without breaking your bank. You will be able to dominate in League of Legends, crush it in Dota 2, and take your Overwatch skills to the next level, all at 1080p resolution and above. But that's not all. Our budget cards are packed with features like improved graphics, faster frame rates, and more. You will be amazed at how much power you can get for your money. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of affordable gaming and experience the feeling of winning without sacrificing your savings. Let's take a look at the top contenders in this segment, starting with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T and AMD Radeon RX 6600. Which card will be your ticket to ultimate gaming? Get ready to unleash your inner gamer without breaking the bank. In the world of affordable gaming, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660T is a powerhouse that packs a punch. Released in February 2019, this card is part of the GTX 16 series, leveraging the Turing architecture to deliver blistering performance without the need for ray tracing. With its sleek design and dual-fan cooling system, the 1660T is not only a beast in terms of performance, but also a masterclass in efficiency. Its modern design makes it an ideal choice for those who crave power without the bulk, and its ability to maintain low temperatures even during extended gaming sessions means it's built to last. When it comes to gaming performance, the 1660T is a warhorse for gamers, handling 1080p resolutions with ease and delivering silky smooth frame rates even in the most demanding games. Fortnite, Call of Duty, Warzone, and Shadow of the Tomb Raider are just a few titles that run like a dream on this card. With its stable frame rates, you can dive into intense gaming sessions without worrying about lag or stuttering. And let's not forget about memory and bandwidth. The GTX 1660T comes equipped with 6GB of GDDR6 memory, providing a significant boost to bandwidth and data processing capabilities. This means it can handle complex graphics tasks and load resources quickly, making it perfect for games that demand high-quality graphics. With GDDR6, the 1660T can handle multiple frames at once, delivering a seamless gaming experience. But what about power consumption? One of the standout features of the 1660T is its low power consumption. With a TDP of just 120W, this card is a power-efficient beast that won't break the bank or overheat your system. This means you can enjoy high-quality gaming without worrying about your electricity bill or system stability. And when it comes to connectivity and compatibility, the 1660T has got you covered. It supports modern connectivity options like HDMI 2.0B and DisplayPort 1.4, making it perfect for gamers and professionals who need to output to multiple high-resolution displays. Its compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and system components means you can upgrade your system without hassle. Of course, the faces stiff competition from AMD's Radeon RX 5600XT. But with its superior gaming performance at 1080p resolutions, stability, and power efficiency, the 1660T remains a top choice for those seeking a reliable and affordable graphics card. So why choose the GTX 1660T? It's an ideal choice for both gamers and professionals who demand powerful graphics processing without breaking the bank. With its impressive performance, efficient design, and modern features, this card delivers an exceptional gaming experience at an affordable price. Whether you're a gamer or a graphics professional, the GTX 1660T is sure to impress with its raw power and stability. Followed by AMD's Radeon RX 6600. This is a product of the Radeon RX 6000 series launched in October 2021, and it has made a strong impression with its impressive graphics performance and energy efficiency. The design of the RX 6600 is optimized to achieve high performance while maintaining stable temperatures, thanks to an effective cooling system. Its exterior has a compact yet powerful design, suitable for many types of PCs, from mini towers to high-end gaming rigs. In terms of performance, the RX 6600 shines with its ability to handle games well at 1080p resolution. Many popular games such as Call of Duty, Warzone, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and Cyberpunk 2077 all run smoothly on the RX 6600 with high graphics settings. This card allows gamers to experience stable frame rates, even in crowded matches or intense battles. The RX 6600 is also equipped with 8 GB of GDDR6, which increases bandwidth and graphics processing capabilities. This memory allows the card to handle complex tasks, from games to professional graphics applications. With high bandwidth, the RX 6600 can load resources quickly, reducing waiting times and increasing processing speed. A strong point of the RX 6600 is its low power consumption, usually requiring only about 132 W of power. This helps users save on power and cooling costs, while minimizing heat, extending the life of other activities. The RX 6600 also supports many modern connections such as HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, allowing images to be output to many different screens with high resolution. This is very useful for those who work in the graphics field or gamers who want to set up multiple monitors to enhance the experience. In short, the Radeon RX 6600 is an ideal choice for both gamers and users who need to process graphics, helping with strong performance and energy-saving features. This card brings a great gaming experience with sharp image quality and stable frame rates. With a modern design, high compatibility, and excellent performance in the price segment, the RX 6600 will definitely not disappoint you, helping you satisfy your passion for gaming and professional graphics applications. So, we have explored two outstanding products in the world of mid-range graphics cards: NVIDIA GTX 1660T and AMD Radeon RX 6600. Both deliver impressive performance with smooth gaming at 1080p resolution, but each card has its own advantages. The GTX 1660T stands out with its stability and power optimization, while the RX 6600 has the advantage of performance and larger memory. Whether you are a gamer who is passionate about dramatic battles or a professional user who needs to process graphics, both of these options offer a great experience at a reasonable price. Clearly define your needs and budget to choose the most suitable product. Hope you find the ideal graphics card for your rig and enjoy the fun. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting content.